Don't untie my apron.
I'm trying to...
You slid and fell. Oh, that was cute. Your phone's going off.
No.
Let's run around the house. Come on. Don't knock off those pans. You're so loud, rascal. Shh. Come on. Come on. Yes, you're so cool. You still have all your toys from when you were a child. You know, don't mind my purse sitting on the floor, rascal.
This is me making money.
Cool. Rascal, you want to let me have your pillow? Yeah? Give me your pillow. Let me see it. Want some treats?
Wow, dude. Why don't you just wrinkle the sofa?
Hey, no. No. It's okay. No, everything's good. Shh. This is a nifty pillow. It's the shape of a bone. Oh. Let's bring it back. Come on. You hear it together. Come on. Come on. You're breathing very loudly. And onto your rug. Okay. Okay, now drop it. Okay, good boy. Okay. And you're gonna pick it up again. Okay. No. He really likes his pillow. Rock and roll. Say bye to the camera. Say hi to YouTube. Now say goodbye to YouTube.